Business author and motivational speaker Harv Eker says, "You just give me your 5 minutes. I can tell you what the financial future of your life could be. Can you really get rich in life?" Harv Eker knows why he can say this so boldly, because he has done a lot of research on the psychological mindset habits of billionaires and their lives and those things. He has highlighted in his book, Secrets of Millionaire Mind, which is the list of best books of the world's best money management and personal finance books. Through this book, after knowing the mindset of successful people and their psychology, you can use it in your life and achieve financial success. The main word is TFAR. Its full meaning is T means thoughts, F means feelings, A means action, and R means result. It means our thoughts gives birth to our feelings. Our action comes from our feelings, and then it brings us results. Now, do you know how we use this principle in our lives? Some part of the money that we earn every month is deposited somewhere or nowhere every month, and because of that, do you know the reason for saving it? Because of this, if I am in any danger, my mother is sick or at the last stage of her life, then I will use this money to cure my illness. Can use means that according to this law, the first of all means that we have thoughts that we will be in danger or get sick in the future, so that we save money, and from that thought this matter continues in our brain. Means that it connects with our feelings. Connect with feelings, we don't take action for it immediately, and the results come later when we get sick in old age or in some kind of danger in the family of life, and we spend that money in that place, and this is ours. Thoughts and our condition. But rich people don't do anything like this. They think about what they can do well when they have time. It means that someone who is going to start a business thinks a lot about it and thinks about whether this job will be given to him or not, whether he has been informed about all the skills to do this work, or whether he has to learn something new after the whole plan is set. His thoughts become complete, and then the feelings come. Then he immediately takes action. It means he gets down to work, and after that he gets the result. It means the plan he made, he succeeds in that later. Do you understand what we do? We only save money for danger, and rich people make a proper plan at the beginning of life. According to these rules, they are successful. 2 more mistakes are mentioned in this book, which are 2 mistakes that we keep making all the time in our lives. The first mistake everyone makes is verbal programming. Let me clear this up for you. You will hear it from everyone around you who has a lot of money and is much worse. They can't be happy in life. Rich people are very greedy. Earning more money is not good. You will grow up hearing many such negative words from your childhood, and these words that we hear only from our society but not from our family are also taught to us. In this way, it is said that if we don't go to think bigger than ourselves, we will be destroyed later. According to the author, there is a reason for this, because our parents or our grandparents also taught them this way. They program like this means they don't think like this. They can't think beyond that. This mistake is a big cut in our path, because when this mistake comes to our mind, we can't think big anymore. If I think big, I get very scared, and sometimes I become weak, and the work does not progress. The second mistake is modeling. This is a matter of how our family or people around us are spending money and how they spend their lives. See one thing, but the truth is that you have to invest the money you earn and earn money again. But we don't want to do that. We just want to deposit money every month. We never want to change our location or our lifestyle. It means that we have a fixed mind in this regard. See, the author says, this is one of the biggest mistakes to succeed in life. We think that the people around me who I grew up watching are doing the right thing. But the reality is not the reality, but far away. which we can easily see in the online age. We can easily follow a person online. Not only do we have to follow brothers in the area. The author wants to understand this point of modeling. Take control of your own life. They make their own lives. And this is what they believe in. On the other hand, the poor, we don't think, continue as it is, and that is the rule. But this is irregularity. Rich people play a lot of money games to earn money. It means who uses money and makes money with money. And when we spend a little money, we get upset. When I hear about investing money somewhere, I think it will be lost, because we don't have any kind of thoughts, feelings, or actions about our work, and these are not there, so the results are the same. It is because of him that our situation is like this. Thanks for watching.